Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from the group of 7 will present about implementation of IPM for soybean crops. Beforehand, I will introduce our group members. My name is Dewi Istikomah with student number 137, Sara, Vanesya, Andrianisa with student number 131, and Titin Andriyanti with student number 135. In this discussion, we will first find out about major insect pests of soybean. 1. Stem fly or Melanochromyzoaceae center. 2. Tobacco caterpillar or Spodoptera litura vicious. 3. Kernsmy lopers or Chrysodiaceae sasuta walker. 4. Girdle beetle or Oporopsis brevis gahan. And 5. Wood borer or Helicover parmigira Hapner. And the next, major disease of soybean. 1. Rust or Pacosora pasirisi scouting on soybean at flowering to pod filling stage. 2. Yellow mosaic on green yellow mosaic virus nariani scouting on soybean at early vegetative stage to physiological maturity stage. 3. Soybean mosaic or soybean mosaic virus scouting in late vegetative stage. 4. Cola root or Scleratium like or Scleratium ralphsizursi scouting on 1 until 4 weeks after planting in mid to late flowering. And 5. Charcoal root or Macropomina pasleolinacoid or scouting on the mid of flowering. Our complementation of IPM for soybean crops. 1. Pest monitoring. A. Survey or field scouting. For field scouting, farmers should be mobilized to observe the insect pest and disease occurrence at the interval as stipulated hereunder. The plant protection measures to required to be taken only when insect pest and disease cross economic threshold level as per result of field scouting.
Pest monitoring part 2. B. Pest monitoring through pheromone or light trap. Majority of insect population can be monitored by fixing and positioning of pheromone or light trap at appropriate stage of crop. Number 2. Culture practice. Cleaning of infected stubble followed by dipping summer plugging. Optimal fertilizer application, timely sowing, proper seedbed condition and depth of sowing, optimum seeding rate and population, crop rotation and intercropping. Number 3. Mechanical practice. Collection and destruction of girdle beetle infested plant part. Egg mass and gregariously feeding larvae of Hurley caterpillar and tobacco caterpillar should be done. Focusing of Sclerotium affected setting and yellow mosaic affected plants should be undertaken.
So the next implementation of IPM for soybean crops is biological control. So for example, conserve spiders, cognicillate beetles, technicid fly, praying mantids, dragonfly, damselfly, or basically the pest of soybeans through minimum use of broad spectrum pesticides so as to exploit maximum potential to biocontrol fauna. And then the next one is chemical control. Application of pesticides should only be restored if post-population cross the economic threshold levels. So for example, when there is 4 beetle per meter, so approximately the insecticides that we use is 333 milliliter per hour. And the last of the implementation of IPM for soybean crops is weed management. So the crop should be maintained weed-free initially for 30 until 45 days by resorting to hand weeding or by pre-emergence applications of herbicide. So the crucial time for soybean crops is 30 until 45 days because on those times the soybeans is prepared for the seed to produce. So if there is any weed around the main crop, so it will be reduce the seed of the soybeans. So thank you so much. That's all for our group. We hope that it will be useful for you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.